precision glue gels. I love it how I can work with a lot of different details. And I'm going to check it first. If you feel like really scratchy, we are going to squeeze just a little bit in. Right? Until you squeeze it in, and you can keep it for 30 seconds. If you feel like you need more, go ahead and add more. But make sure you give it like a 30-second flash cure first. So then you won't flood it with your precision glue gels. Looks really good. With precision glue gels will seal on the edges right here. And cure for 60 seconds. Same thing with this beauty. I'm getting this one right there. I'm loving it. Here for 60 seconds. I hope everybody enjoying it and awake by now. It's just so cool that it's just really, really cool. Just, you know what, just in case you are watching it and then later and you are practicing, you can definitely follow step by step, and then it will take you to definitely. This is the golden. And then honest brow, I use golden and honest brows. And then either you're doing a forest green a little bit deeper. Forest green is like more of a deeper green, and then the deep green is a little bit like lighter. I think it's not lighter, a little bit lighter. Here's just the two beauties. Are we doing it today? Hold on, where am I? Here, hello sun.